Markets are dropping fast, and this is why. What's going on, guys? It's Ricky with TechBud Solutions, and I'm sure a lot of you guys have heard the news of this Nvidia and ChatGPT killer called DeepSeek, and it's a China-based kind of like ChatGPT. I wanted to explain in my understanding of why this is causing so much chaos in our stock market today. So first off, if you guys haven't noticed, AMD, TSM is down 13.6%. This is single-handedly one of the biggest sell-offs that we've seen with Nvidia, in my opinion, in a really long time. 16.25% when it trades at nearly a $3 trillion market cap. It is losing a ton of money, and the selling pressure is not stopping. So this is really exciting. I think that this is, again, bringing light that, again, markets get ahead of themselves. Nvidia was viewed as this juggernaut of a company, and again, it looked unstoppable. It's creating these chips for AI companies because it takes a lot of computing. What DeepSeek just showed us, and this is, there's a handful of different reasons on why it's gaining so much attention. The first reason is supposedly there was some form of block that China couldn't get access to these Nvidia chips because the US didn't want China to advance when it came down to AI. The part that we came to find out is that, DeepSeek, which is like China's version of ChatGPT, was started about a year ago. And it was started by this guy. He had a hedge fund out in China, and then he started this company, DeepSeek, founded in 2023, just so you guys know. The part that's very interesting about this is even with all the blockage, even without having NVIDIA's chip, this is the part that I found to be super, super interesting. And I want to find it and show it to you guys. They just came out with a new feature, and this new feature for DeepSeek is free. But ChatGPT charges this thing called DeepSeek $200 a month. But for the same feature and pretty much the same results, DeepSeek gives you that feature for free. Okay, how are they doing this if they don't have the same type of chips that NVIDIA does? And it says Dimitri's, whatever his name is, principal scientist at Microsoft's AI Frontier Research, the lab, says that what surprised them most about the R1 was its engineering simplicity. DeepSeek focuses on getting precise answers rather than detailing every logical step, significantly reducing computation time while maintaining a high level of efficiency. So pretty much saying that it doesn't need to be that complicated. Everything else that ChatGPT is doing and in the way that it's doing it, and because supposedly we needed these super powerful chips from NVIDIA because it takes all of this computing, no, China was able to do it without them. And they do it in such a simple manner, and they do it for a fraction of the cost. So the reason you might be thinking, who cares? That's kind of like my first reaction of this. Well, who cares, right? Who cares that China came out with an AI tool that is quicker or just as quick than ChatGPT? Who cares? Why does that matter? Well, it's then showing and supporting the case that, hey, maybe NVIDIA and these super hyped up inflated valuations of how valuable these chips are because of how powerful they are, because of what they do for AI, are not actually needed. So then now we correct, because now it's proving that, we don't need all of that computing power to have an efficient and powerful AI type of network. And DeepSeek is a perfect example of that. On top of that, over the weekend, as they released that new feature that's available now for free, it became the #1 downloaded application on the App Store, taking over everything. Again, supporting the case that China, once again, is leading when it comes down to this form of innovation. Now, again, we might want to we're going to want to point the finger at China. They're doing something wrong. I think it's a fair race, right? If anything, it's been more unfair on their side because they didn't have the same computing power that we did with these NVIDIA chips. But guess what? Because of how on a high horse the US thought we were on, because of NVIDIA's computing chips, we overvalued these companies, these chips, and what they do. And now it's proven that, hey, we don't actually need this type of computing chip to be able to get that same end result that, again, DeepSeek was able to do at a fraction of the price. It compares the cost of what it costs ChatGPT versus what it costs DeepSeek, and supposedly it is Night and day difference. OpenAI provides access to O1 at a price of $15 per million input tokens and $60 per million open token. In contrast, DeepSeek, Resonor based off of the R1 model, costs 55 cents versus 15 per million tokens and $2.19 versus $60 per token. So why is the market dropping so much? Because AI, such as, and the chip manufacturers that are behind them, because of how everyone thought we needed them to be super impressive and be able to compute a bunch of different things all at once, are overhyped up and overvalued. They're not actually needed. So then this is where the markets have to correct themselves. It's like, oh my gosh, we got ahead of ourselves again. And Nvidia is correcting, right? Nvidia hit lows of 117 today. It looks like it's trying to recover. We'll see if it does. I think that this correction was long overdue. AI, we've said it so many times before, is way overhyped. But it's just like, it makes no sense. I get it that it's viewed as the future, and I do believe that we're scratching the surface. But I think this is a perfect example, and congrats to China for being able to do it in this manner. Hey, you don't want to provide us, your chips and their computing power? We'll find a more simple and efficient solution. And guess what? Their solution is just as effective and efficient as the one that we've provided and poured millions and if not trillions of dollars into. Isn't that crazy? That again, it's like they get the last laugh. So that is why markets are dropping, because markets were overvalued, overhyped up because of what we thought we needed when it came down to AI advancements and these chip manufacturers. But China proved it that, again, it's not needed, and DeepSeek is #1 on the App Store. So I'll make sure that I keep you guys posted. I love when markets like this correct themselves. I'm not even shorting Nvidia or anything like that. I love it because this is really when deals begin to present themselves. So if you're really a true investor, let these things sell off. Let Nvidia go sub $100 per share. Why wouldn't you want it to, right? Let the deals present themselves, because we all know that's where the money is made long term. So welcome it, embrace it. There's no reason why you have to overcomplicate it or buy more than what you're comfortable. Put yourself in a position in which you can manage. I'm so excited for this market. I hope that earned a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing. And again, I trade live every single morning. If you ever want to tune on in, second link in the description down below. Like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take care, team.